While taking photographs in dim lights from your digital camera or smartphone camera, we usually take help of flash. But sometimes photos get ruined due to appearance of red eyes. Then there is a feature called red eye reduction which can help you out here. So let's get started. Now let's first understand why there will be a red eye in photographs when the flash is used in dim lights or at night. As we know, light makes us to see the world around us. Light rays goes to cornea and pupil of eye to focus on retina, which receives light focus by the lenses and it converts the light into neural signals and send these signals to brain for visual recognition. Now when cameras flash burst, the pupil of subject's eye don't get time to contract. Then as a result, huge amount of light enter inside eye of subject and reaches the retina, then reflect back and captured on camera. The red color in eye is observed due to rich blood supply of choroid, which is a layer of blood vessels and connective tissues that supplies outer retina with nutrients and nourishment to the eye. Now one way is to disable the flash while taking photographs to eliminate the red eye effect. Or you can use the feature called red eye reduction in your camera. Now the work of this red eye reduction feature is that it emits short flashes of light in quick interval of time before camera actually takes photographs. By this, pupil of subject's eye is allowed to contract and thus adequate amount of light enter inside the subject's eye. And through this, familiar amount of light reflects back from retina which prevents red eye effect in pictures. So I hope from next time you will use flash and dim light while clicking photographs which will be free from red eye effect by the help of red eye reduction feature in camera.